What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. Real quick, thank you so much for your support. This channel could not be doing better. I'm really happy with that since I started new studio and it's a lot of fun. I'm keep having fun. Discover TikTok with all this viral gadgets on TikTok. So we're going to put to the test, see if they deserve to be viral, see if they work or don't work, see what they're all about. Let's see what I found today. I got it here, a lemon squeezer, juicer, whatever you want to call it, and it is such a unique idea. Look at that, it has some awards, and also there's a lime one and orange one. It's just a size difference. Look at that, there's a little spike, so the juice will stay, or like the lemon will stay intact without moving. But the cool thing is, when we're done, it can fit in a drawer easily. This is the skinniest lemon juicer I've seen. So let's get into it. Just cut it in half. Nice small lemon. There's bigger lemons, and I assume we put it this way. There's instructions. There is not instructions. Yeah, there is instructions right here. That's how we do it. Okay, get a bowl. Let's see how much juice we're going to get. Also there's a little seed catcher, and let's just squeeze it. And it's all pouring from the bottom. Wow, look at that. I squeezed it all the way down. It wasn't so difficult either. That's a lot of juice. Woo! This is nice. And all the seeds stayed inside there. There's one or two seeds I see on the bottom did get caught. Okay, very, like lots of seeds in this lemon. Wow, look at that. Squeeze it all the way. I cannot even go any harder. And all of the seeds stays inside of it, which is most important. Every time I squeeze lemon into the water, my kids always ask for lemon. I'm afraid they're going to choke on the seeds. Now I don't have to worry about it, and look how much juice came out. That's awesome. And this is a lime squeezer. It could work with a lemon as well. It's just a little smaller. That's all it is. But these lemons are so small, it can work the same way. So if you want to use a smaller one, the lime one, for the lemons, it will work. And same thing with oranges. I have an orange real quick. There's a bigger one for oranges, for really big oranges. Let's try this. This will not work. It's a bit too small. So, but with lemons, lemon size one, look at it. You can even put medium size oranges in there. It almost works. That's why they also created a bigger one for only oranges, so it will fit in here. But yeah, look at that, it's squeezing it well. So if you want to use it for oranges, lemons and limes, get the biggest one. If you don't mind this, you can get the smallest one just for lemon and limes, or a medium one. I love that they have different sizes. Here's the orange peeler. So I guess to kind of get it going, I'm not sure, do I have to go this way or this way? It didn't come with the instruction. Let's try this one. So kind of get it in half. That's such a good idea. And I think what we need to do is another half right here. And I think it's designed for average orange to like penetrate it but not cut to the peel. Okay, now what I need to do is go to the same line and go like this. Wow, that is cool. Almost did it right here. Kinda have to stay with the curve. This is so cool. Look, it's like almost want to fall apart now. And now all I have to do is just pull it all the way out. How easy was that? If I tried to use it without this gadget, it is a lot more mess. I even tried to recently do some of the life hacks. Half the time life hack doesn't work. So that's pretty awesome. And once you practice with it, it'll be even easier. I like it. Pretty useful little gadget. Next level, there's a brand of it, garlic peeler. Let's see what's all about. There's right here a little squeezer. Kind of like not super close to the I guess if I open it, no, kind of not super close. I would like for it to kind of almost scrape it. So I do see a little bit of a problem not be scraping it as good. There's also a little cleaner in here. Let's try it. Maybe it's going to be good. So auto, looks like we can do 2 big sizes of garlics every time, and then squeeze it, and you see how it's like always doesn't stay there. And let's start. Ooh, it actually works really well. I take it back. Love it. Okay, 1, 2 more pieces. I love garlic. We cook with it every day. Healthy for you. Tastes delicious. Clean it. Boom, done. Now, use the garlic. Take this out. How does this work? Do I push this backwards? This way, kind of push it backwards. Boom. You see how it goes into the holes. And then all I have to do is just scrape it off. Wow, look at that. And now, just I guess it's a dishwasher safe. Boom. Easy to rinse it off, put in dishwasher, clean. I like it. This side here helps a lot. And if you're not a fan of that kind, there's a twist one, and it gives a lot of power. Boom. Takes it out. There's 2 red dots, match them together, and easy to kind of put it together by matching those 2 dots together, 2 red dots. Okay, let's try it. I have a clove right here, a second one. Oh wow, I can get a lot more cloves, so maybe another one. Okay, 4 pieces of garlic, no problem, which just takes a lot, so that's kind of nice to have. Okay, and there goes nothing. Can it do it? Wow, powerful. And with this one, it doesn't have a scrape, but we can get another gadget called knife. Boom, take it out. And how did it do? Pretty good, I'd say. It is a bit harder to clean this out now, for sure. The other gadget, a little bit easier. What do you guys think? I got right here dissolvable like blank food ration labels. So there's a roll of them for 350. Take one out. Let's put one on. I don't know, on the side. I'll just say food or boom. Let's see if it actually dissolves. First of all, the sticker works really well. Let's put it under water and try to dissolve it. Okay, I got hot water on. Let's see. Oh, no way, it's dissolving completely. Oh wow, look, it came off, and it actually dissolved before it came off. All the glue and everything. Incredible, easy. Also, while we're here, we have right here compressed sponges. I guess it's to save the space. Let's try one. Whoa, that's just satisfying. And boom, we have the sponge. And it's big too. So imagine how much space it actually saving you. Also, what I noticed, if I have this for too long and they're not used, they actually dry out. This one's ready to go. Boom, compressed, nice, comfortable. So I got right here another hot dog or sausage roller for the grill. A lot of people are complaining they were too small, so I have to show a bigger one. So now the big hot dogs can feed, the big sausages could feed, or even like breakfast sausages. I don't have the Worcestershire sausage, whatever it's called, the big ones, but that makes sense, right? You can put big hot dogs, small hot dogs, and they will roll. Right now the big ones don't roll as much, but they will, once they heat up, they will become more roundish. Right now they're square, but the little ones roll a lot better. Somebody said that they flip sausages. If it's on a grill, they would rather flip sausages. Why would they flip the sausage? I would rather roll it on a grill. But also, if you have uneven table, this hot dog, it will roll backwards. Roll like not where it's supposed to be. You see, it's like not very even. You try to roll it a little bit and going too far. With this gadget, you just drop it and roll it wherever you want it for it to cook. That's so cool. The bigger ones are almost all the way cooked, and look how nice and easy it is to slowly roll it. Make sure it's cooked all the way. It reminds me one of those hot dog gas station rollers. Next, I got right here hand activated spoon. As soon as you touch it, recharge it, there will be like a thermometer, and it will be warming up the spoon. After first scoop, usually all the scoop works, but after second and third scoop, the scoop becomes cold and the ice cream gets stuck to it. So with this, we don't have to worry about it. Look at that, instant 96 degrees. I feel it warm, especially right here in the back. Just give it a minute, 107. That's cool. Okay, there's ice cream. Let's grab some. Oh, like butter. And then drop it. Wow, this is so cool. And the best part is it can mold it pretty good too. Wow, this is cool. It's at 82 degrees now because the ice cream cooled it off. And as you can see, it's keep warming it up. No, it's cooling off still. Get another scoop and turn it onto a bowl. Wow, look at that. That's a really beautiful scoops. And it is at 55 now. It's still activated. Let's get another one, see what happens. Try to mold it into a bowl again. Into a bowl. On top of it, looking good. I would say it's nice at 50 degrees, but that's what I was talking about. It's not sticking. It's still warming it up. Now it's supposed to be all cold and get stuck to it, but because it is heat activated, it is nice. You know, one more right here. Boom, it comes out so easily. It's at 46. I'll do one more because I don't think it's necessary to get that much ice cream. The cool part is, like, for the whole family, I'll probably be done. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. It's starting to get stuck, so now I have to just wait a little bit till it warms up. But look at that beautiful scoops. It's at what? I can't see. 46 degrees. So all I have to do is wait just a second. Not a second, but you know, 30 seconds, so it's warming up back to 50 degrees. 51. I can use it again. Get a nice bowl going. And the last one. Boom. It does not get stuck. And it's such a beautiful bowls of ice cream. I love it. Thumbs up for me. Down to 48. Love it. It's warming up really good. Yeah, it's still cold, but it's back to 50 degrees. That's a most advanced scoop from the future. Now you don't have to stick it in the hot water and get the dirty water out there, and also you don't have to water down your ice cream. So it's back to at 57 already, so warming up really fast. I can stand it up this way, freestanding too, and once I stop touching it, it will turn off. This right here, milk frother, I got it off of Amazon, and I have no idea, I have no recollection who ordered it. Sometimes the company send it to me to the Amazon, but milk frothers are really cool. All it is a heater and a frother, so it's going to make illusion of like a latte. Latte, you have to have those one of those shots, whatever they called. So we're going to add on milk, and there's a spinner inside there, like one of these. It comes with a replacement, and then it's going to warm up the milk and then turn it on. So now it's heating it up and spinning it at the same time. So I give a lot of space in there because, let's open it, because I want to see how much foam it will get. Alright, now it's going fast. I think it's warmed it up. On the box it says we can do warm foam, cold foam. Cold foam if you want to cool off your coffee a little bit. Oh, it's spilling. Oh, it's spilling everywhere. Maybe I overfilled it this time. It feels like it's warming up, that's why. So if I run it longer, it's warming up. But look at that foam. It looks like a latte. Oh yeah, let's do a taste real quick. The foam is a little warm. Delicious. Tastes like a Starbucks latte. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.